person's smile are stories they try to hide. Stories that began with the wrong crowd and ended in a vice they never imagined will become a part of their life. Let's hide his identity under the name Jay, not his real name. A 17-year-old student who was once hardworking, cheerful, and full of dreams, until he met the group that slowly changed the path of his life.
So, Jay, how did you meet your friends?
So, bale po, nung first day po ng pasukan, nakita ko po sila sa gilid. Parang familiar po sila. Naging kaklase ko po dati. So, bale, yun nga po. Nilapitan ko po sila. And sila nga po yun.
What made you join them?
Bale po, sinalihan ko po sila kasi napaka-cool po kasi nila. And sinabi ko po sa sarili ko, mas makakaangat po ako kapag lumapit ako sa kanila and na-socialize ako sa kanila. Parang mas mabuboost yung self-esteem.
So it's like parang cool.
He didn't realize that simply joining them would become the doorway to a darker world.
So, do you have anything to say about Jay's state currently?
Bilang sa kapatid ni Jay, nalulungkot ako kasi ngayon, hindi na siya, ngayon na-influensya na siya ng mga kaibigan niya na gumawa ng bisyo. Dati hindi naman siya ganun. Ewan ko ba, ba't nagkaanda leche-leche na yata yun?
Okay, let's now proceed.
Slowly,
Mr. Gian, can you
everything
please read the
began
sentence
to
written in
change.
paragraph?
His study time, his relationship with his family, even the way
Okay,
he
thank you
saw
very much.
himself.
How about Mr. J? Mr. J,
In the midst of darkness, a light eventually
J?
appeared, an
Are you
event
sleeping in my
that
class?
reminded him that the path he was taking
okay,
was wrong.
sit properly.
So, what was your darkest moment?
So, ang pinaka-dark moment ko po sa buhay nung nagbibisyo po ako is marami na po akong namimiss na mga klase. Ako po ay bisyong-bisyo na, lulong-lulo na po ako. And hindi ko na po nare-realize, yung health ko po is nagde-decline na rin.
Also, you're experiencing some health issues right now?
Yes.
So, did something bad happen?
Meron po. Bali po nung one night, lulong-lulo po kami sa bisyo. Lasing na
Is
lasing
it alright
po.
for you to share that?
Okay na po. Lulong-lulo nga po kami sa bisyo and lasing na lasing na po kaming lahat. Meron po kaming nasira na motor po. Bali po, pinandalize namin, sinipa-sipa namin at para pong sinira namin na hindi na po magagamit. Nangyari po yun, gabi na po. So wala pong nakakita halos. Pero po, kinabukasan, may mga concerned citizens po na nakakita and na-report po. Tinignan yung CCTV. Nakita po kami.
Also, you were caught and killed during the time?
Hindi naman po. Dahil nakataip nga po yung mukha ko kasi nga po, nasa na po kami ng madilim na bahagi na po ng Eskinita eh. Yung nakita lang po dun, yung mga kaibigan ko. Pero hindi na rin po nila ako sinabihan na kasama ako dun.
That's fortunate, but you admit that you were under the influence that time?
Yes, I admit.
So, what made you realize that you need to change yourself?
Yun nga po, nung nangyari po yung event na yun, sa kaloob-looban ko po, sinabi ko na po sa sarili ko na kapag hindi ko pa po binago yung aspetong to sa buhay ko, paano pa kaya kung malaki na ako, mas malaya na ako, at mangyari ulit to? Diba? Parang mas malala na po yung mangyari. At baka naman po sa time na yun, mahuli na talaga ako. Masira na yung aking kinabukasan.
Carl James.
Jun! Si Jay ka dito, nasaan? Absent na naman, pangatlong araw na yan
So, how did you change?
Well, I started to change po, slowly. Dahil alam ko po sa stories ng iba na gusto na pong mag-quit sa bisyo is if ginawa po nila in one day, kaagad-agaran, may mga side effects po na talagang makaka-apekto sa health nila and ayoko naman po mangyari sa
Oh,
akin.
yes, like withdrawals and...
Yes, yes, yes.
Wow. So, what was your small victories or small changes that you achieved throughout your journey?
Well, throughout my journey po, over the course of my withdrawal, may mga natulungan na rin po akong mga taong mag-quit dahil yun nga po, sinabi ko po yung side ng story ko sa kanila and kung ano pa pong possible na mangyari sa health nila if ever na ituloy pa nila yung vision nila. And ang isa pa pong ipinagmamalaki ko sa buhay ko ever since na nag-withdraw po ako is mas naging better ako physically, mentally, spiritually, mas naging connected ako sa mga kaibigan ko, mas naging focus ako sa pag-aaral ko, and in my spiritual life, mas nag-rely na ako kay God na kapag may problema ako, sa Kanya na lang ako lalapit, hindi na ako magbibisyo.
With the help of the right people, he slowly rose from where he had fallen. The wrong crowd can lead to destruction, but the right friends, family, and determination can lead to change.
So, what have you learned throughout your life during that time? You were under the influence, you were addicted to bad vices like drugs, alcohol, and other stuff like that.
Well, I've learned na hindi lahat ng bagay sa buhay is masosolve mo gamit yung easy way out. Ergo nga yung paggamit ng drugs, influences. Sometimes, kailangan mo talagang harapin yung problema mo and sa ganung pamamaraan, mas masosolve mo siya kaagad. Whereas kung nag-rely ka lang sa vices or drugs, wala eh. Mas lalaki lang yung problema eh.
In this story, we learned that vices don't begin with evil intentions, but with the wrong influence. And hope is always there for those who chose to change.